session. Today we're going to work on Blizzard Blues. So this is the drum set, and you can actually play the entire thing right here on the drum set instead of having different people play snare and bass and cymbal. So if you have a drum set at home, I'm going to show you how easy this is, okay? So I'm going to play it first all the way through, and then we're going to take it apart and try to fix it, okay? So here we go. There's really just a few parts to this. Okay, so at the very beginning in measure 12, we have 1, 2, so it's just snare, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So try that out. 1, 2. Now, the basic rhythm that we're playing here is a basic bass snare. So we're just doing a walking rhythm. So it's just bass, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare. The first thing I would do is work on 1 and 3. Close your hi-hat. It says stick is on top of the closed hi-hat. The bass drum and the hi-hat are on 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The snare drum is going to be on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the easy way to do 13 through 24. And 13 through 24 happens a few times. So if you get it here, you can also play it at 37, and you can also play it again when you have it at the end at 61, okay? So that is the basic. Now, if you want to be a little fancy, you can give some eighth notes here. So this is what I was playing, and that's the advanced version, okay? So if you look at Blizzard Blues and look at the advanced version, you're going to see the eighth notes, and that's what I was doing. So let's try measures 1 through 24, okay? Measures 1 through 24, we're going to count first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, 9, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 11, 2, 3, 4, 1. we've got it on the rhythm. At the end there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, because we're transitioning to theme B. So theme B is at 25. Let's take a look at theme B. Again, this can all be placed on the drum set. So we're at 25. We have the head of the drum and the bass drum at the same time sounding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. So let's try 25. With our music, we're going to play 25 to 37 marker, okay? Here we go, set. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 37, we do our drum set bass, snare, walking rhythm that we had before. So we're going to do that at 37 now. 37 to, let's see, it looks like we're going to do that to 49. So same thing as before. So we're going to do that. It's really cool at a concert to even do this over your head a little bit because it gets the audience knowledge that it's okay to clap and get into the music. So that's really cool. So as a drummer, you're sitting in the back, so you can actually tap your sticks way up high if you want to here at 49. And we're going to click our sticks at 2 and 4. And then we have a little bit of drum set. We've got rest 2 and 4 right in between, okay? So let's start at 49 and play to 61. Here we go, 49. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing at 61, so I just went on there. But I hope you have fun with this. It's easy, it's pretty simple. So if you haven't started working on the bass and snare walking rhythm, it's just a standard beat that we use in a lot of rock and roll pieces and some jazz. So check it out and try it out with your drum set at home if you have one. I look forward to hearing you play either online or in class. Bye guys!